Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and in today's video we are outside on my back deck and it's time to get it ready for spring and summer. We're actually pretty late in doing this. It's Mother's Day actually, the day that we're doing this, and I am super excited. We just had the deck redone. We had it professionally just stripped and stained and resealed, primarily because I just didn't have the time to do it. But we're gonna go ahead and get the flower boxes put back up and planted up. I got a new rug for out here because the other one is just really trashed. And we're gonna put our sectional back out here, put the umbrella up, and we also are going to move our front porch rocking chairs back here because we have new rocking chairs for the front porch. So let's go ahead and get started. Before we go any further in today's video, I want to go ahead and thank our sponsor, Naked Wines. I've talked to you guys about Naked Wines already, and I could not love this more. Naked Wines is a fantastic wine delivery subscription, and it has been so fun trying new wines that I probably wouldn't have otherwise tried. I've got a taste tester with me today. This is my lovely husband, Danny, and today we are trying the Rob McNeil Russian River Valley Demi-Sec Rosé. Demi-sec means it's going to be bubbly and delicious, and rosé is crisp and perfect for this warm weather. It is gorgeous today, and we just finished working on the deck, so we're out here enjoying it. So you ready?
Yeah.
Cheers, my love.
That's really good.
Fresh and bubbly.
It really is.
Yum, yum, yum. So good on a hot day. Love it. So good. So with Naked Wines, you pay $40 a month, and that allows for you to order your wines whenever you want. It also gives you access to free birthday bottles, monthly gifts, as well as limited time flavors and wines. And you're getting your wines at up to 60% off the market price because you're not paying for all those hidden fees like distribution or marketing. And Naked Wines connects you with all different types of wines. No longer do you have to just scour the wine aisle. I know for us, it can be hard to decide what wine to get. And I'll end up just buying the same wines over and over that I know I like, where with this, I can order a bottle, and the fantastic thing is if I don't absolutely love it, I just let Naked Wines know, and they're going to put a credit on my account so I can try a different bottle. So really, there is no fear in ordering and trying something new. There's no commitment with your membership. You can cancel anytime. So now is the perfect time to join over 300,000 plus members. You can go read reviews, hear what other wine lovers have to say, so you can find the wines in your flavor palette, the things that you like. Down in my description box will be a link for you to use. You'll get $100 off your first box of wines. Again, down in the description box, find that link. It's $100 off your first box of wines. And thank you again to Naked Wines for sponsoring today's video. We're gonna go enjoy all of our hard work that you're about to watch now. Thanks for watching. We're going to go ahead and get started by putting my little flower boxes back up here on the deck. You're probably asking why these aren't going out the other direction. And that's because I want to be able to see the flowers that are inside of them. And these we got when we first moved in. They are just flower hangers. I don't even know what you would call these things. Baskets? There you go, baskets. From Walmart. And you can just buy replacement inserts. I buy them every other year. These are new from last year, and they're fine, and they actually still have pretty decent soil inside of them. And these are just annuals. So I am not trying to spend a bunch of money on fresh compost or anything like that. And these super petunias from Proven Winners are so hardy that they will do perfectly fine no matter where you plant them, I assure you. So I'm just going to kind of break this up and get any roots from the fall out. And then we're going to plant 3 bubblegum petunias in each one of these. And these will get big and beautiful and super pink and gorgeous out here. It's going to look so great all summer long. So this next part we're going to start, but we're not going to finish, and that is these poles that I picked up from Amazon. These are actually to hang string lights. So we're just connecting them to the outside of the deck, and we're going to string outdoor patio lights from the house to these poles. We're not going to do it right now because we are having the house power washed before Michaela's grad party next month, and I didn't want to worry about taking them down. So we're not going to string the lights yet, but these are great. They actually can be put down into the dirt as well. So I think I'm going to get some more for over in our fire pit area. Now we're going to go ahead and unravel the new rug. This is from Target. It's just one of their outdoor rugs. I think it's by Threshold. It's just a nice neutral rug, nice and big. And my goal was to have it for under the table and the sectional, but also where we're going to move the rocking chairs from the front porch. So Danny and I are just figuring out how we're going to get it up here, how we're going to lay out everything. And I think it's perfect. Like I said, it's an outdoor rug. We do get a lot of rain and it's really, really wet during the summer. So I'll need to power wash this, but a couple of years will do, just fine. The last one I had, I think 3 or 4 years, and then it was time to replace it. I'm going to go ahead and move in our outdoor sectional now. This is actually from Walmart, and if it's still available, I'll have it linked for you. If not, I'll find it. I know I'll be able to find it. This is such a great sectional. And we picked this one because of the high table. I wanted like a multi-function high table, one that I can come sit out here with my computer. We can eat our dinners. I didn't want, a coffee table. I wanted something high that we can eat at. So this worked out perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and get this set up. We're going to bring up the rest of it. I'm going to have a super cute helper here in just a minute. And the only thing I'm not going to do in this video is take all of the cushion covers off. They need to be washed, but I wasn't doing that this day. We were doing like multiple projects in one day, so that was not going to happen. But I will be doing that very soon, especially again before that grad party. This little plant holder is from Walmart, and I'm just bringing in some of those pink cashmere super beanas from Proven Winners that I picked up from my online order. Just gonna have those there. They're gonna look really beautiful. They're all budded up. They don't have any flowers yet, but they're coming. We're going to go ahead and clean off the table as well. And then I did pick up a new umbrella for out here. It was on super sale at Target a couple of weeks ago. I will link it for you. It is so cute. It's got beautiful stripes and the fringe. I wanted a fringe umbrella that was going to give some resort vibes out here. You can see this area from everywhere in my family room. So I wanted one that was just going to look really pretty and kind of rustic and just like you're at a, you know, a really awesome little cafe or something like that. And it's really big. So it covers pretty much the entire sectional, which is nice. About midday, the sun goes, you know, to the other side of the house, as you can see here. And by like 4 or 5, you really don't have much sun back here, but it's still nice to come sit out here. And I adore this new umbrella. And the last thing we're going to do today is bring back these beautiful Adirondack rocking chairs. These are from Lubona. These were living on my front porch for the last 2 years, but we did get some new ones for the front porch, so we brought them back here, which is perfect. I love them back here. It's nice to have added seating, and it's just so nice to come sit in a rocking chair. So come out here with a glass of wine at night or with a coffee in the morning. It's just perfect. Come out here and read. The kids love it, and I just think it kind of finishes off the space. And this is where we're going to end for today. It is definitely not done, but we're very, very close. I need to get some new pillows for the sectional, and I need to clean it. I'm not doing that today. I've got too many other things going in the wash right now. We have a ton of loads of laundry, plus we're washing all our bedding, so I'm not going to do that today. But we also need to hang the lights. So the plan is to use siding hooks. So we'll do a siding hook up top, and then we'll go, you know, 2 there across and back, or we'll do a square. So like a siding hook here, over, around, like across and over. We'll see. Sorry, hopefully I didn't give you motion sickness just now. But we're having the house power washed, so I don't want to do the lights yet until they're done because I don't want to have to take them down. But this is how it looks, you guys. It looks so good. I'm not going to leave those pillows out here. I just put them out there for today for Mother's Day. We're probably going to eat out here, but I don't want to like leave the pillows out here because this is not covered, and so it can get pretty wet out here when it rains. We've had a very watery, wet season so far. So absolutely loving the umbrella. It is such resort vibes and so pretty. I love that it's big enough to cover everything. I love the wood pole. Like, that is really pretty and really nice. And this was on sale. I want to say I got this for like $100, maybe $115. It was on sale at Target, so I will link it for you down below. Love that we went with just pinks out here this year. I think that's going to be really beautiful. So we've got just the bubblegum petunias. That is bubblegum petunias, and then those are pink cashmere superbinas that are from out front, but I decided to bring them back here. I did just order a table for right here, a little black Adirondack table to go in between the 2 rocking chairs, and then I'll put that flower pot down there. But this is just looking so beautiful, and it's going to be really stunning all spring and summer, and then we will put our pool up here very, very soon, so that'll be nice. The goal is eventually to do a lower deck, so to take off this back railing and do like a step down and do a deck that goes down here. It goes down here like, and then goes around the pool, that would be really nice. So that'll be, you know, in the future. But these are gonna look really pretty when they fill in and just get really big and bright and pink, and I'm in love. I love it all. So everything looks really, really beautiful. We did not bring the Blackstone up. We left it down there so that way, you know, it can get used. We do need to clean up down there. I need to get like all the dead weeds and everything out of the rocks, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I'll probably see if I can hire somebody to do that. I don't know, but see if I can hire somebody to do it before Michaela's grad party. But this just looks so great. I'm so happy with it. And although it's just a start, it looks really good. I don't want to finish everything until well, there really isn't a whole lot more to do. I just got to clean all those cushions, wash them all, and that is just not a chore I'm willing to take on today. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for coming along, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you're subscribed so you can see how this space turns out for the rest of the season.